Every great discovery starts with a single step. And behind that step is equipment you can trust. Equipment that helps measure, test, analyze, and uncover new possibilities. That's where Whitesun laboratory equipment comes in. From thermometers and magnifying instruments to diagnostic sets, microscopes, hearing screeners, and specialized laboratory equipment, these tools support the work of laboratories, medical facilities, learning institutions, and research professionals every day. Whitesun offers a wide range of quality laboratory products selected for accuracy, reliability, and consistent performance. Whitesun Group, the power for your everyday test.